Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Here's another one of our custom-built engines. This one happens to be built for all-American muscle out of South Africa. We're building a lot of engines for this gentleman, and this happens to be one. This is our base model 454 that features 550 horsepower. When you see the dyno, you're going to see we exceeded that like we do with almost each and every one of our engines. Base models for us is a late model roller block. We put a brand new Eagle rotating assembly unit, our own custom ground hydraulic roller cam, Edelbrock cylinder heads that we go over completely with changing the springs and retainers to achieve the spring pressure we want for our engine build. Manley push rods, stainless steel roller rockers, Felt Pro gaskets, MSD distributors, Holley carburetors, and Edelbrock intake manifolds. All of our engines can be custom painted to order. Check him out. I hear he does some great work.